बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं सैयद हुसैन तालीम की तड़का के प्लेटफॉर्म से कल हमने 49 सवाल 49 क्वेश्चन तक क्लास नंबर 6 को कर लिया था। आज 50 सवाल से कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। आर्टिकल 62 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1973 डील विद क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ जजेस of Supreme Court. So Article 89 of the Constitution 1973 empowers to promulgate ordinances President. उसके बाद the formation of a cabinet is provided in 92. उसके बाद अंडर आर्टिकल 90 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में 1973 द एग्जीक्यूटिव अथॉरिटी ऑफ द फाउंडेशन में शैल बी एक्सरसाइज इन द नेम ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट बाय द फेडरल गवर्नमेंट कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। उसके बाद 54 क्वेश्चन है डैश इज द हेड ऑफ द कैबिनेट प्राइम मिनिस्टर अकॉर्डिंग टू द आर्टिकल 92 ऑफ द 1973 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन द नंबर ऑफ फेडरल मिनिस्टर एंड मिनिस्ट्रीज ऑफ स्टेट हु आर 1/4 of the number before entering upon the office. A federal minister or minister of state, the minister shall make oath before the prime minister. उसके बाद 57 सवाल according to the article 93 of the constitution, the president can appoint dash advisor on the advice of the prime minister, not more than 5 advisors. उसके बाद आर्टिकल 95 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में कहता है डील विद द वर्ड ऑफ द नो कॉन्फिडेंस अगेंस्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर। उसके बाद रेजुलेशन फॉर अ वर्ड ऑफ द नो कॉन्फिडेंस नीड टू बी मूव बाय नॉट लेस देन डैश % member of the National Assembly against the Prime Minister 20%. उसके बाद the President shall appoint a person being a person qualified to be appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court to be dash under Article 100 of the Constitution 1973 Attorney General for Pakistan. Under Article 101 of the Constitution 1973 President appoint a dash on the advice of the Prime Minister Governor for each province. उसके बाद to become an Attorney General of Pakistan the person must have qualifying dash to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court. उसके बाद 63 minimum age limit for appointment of a person as a governor under Article 101 of the Constitution and not less than 35 year of age. उसके बाद 64 more before entering upon office of the governor shall make oath before chief justice of the high court. उसके बाद in absence of the governor of province dash will perform governor functions chief minister of province. उसके बाद article dash of the constitution 1973 deal with the constitution of a provincial assembly 106. फिर governor has the power to dissolve the provincial assembly as provided by the article 112 at the advice of chief minister. फिर article 113 of the constitution deal with the qualification and the disqualification for membership of provincial assembly. फिर dash is the chief executive of the province chief minister. फिर dash is the head of the province chief minister. उसके बाद Article dash of the Constitution 1973 empower the provincial assembly to pass a word of no confidence against the chief minister. Article 136. फिर 72 क्वेश्चन है to move a resolution for a vote of no confidence against the chief minister. Provincial assembly he will need to support of dash total member 20%. उसके बाद article dash of the constitution 1973 deal with the appointment of the advocate general. Article 40 फिर advocate general is appointed by dash governor of the state. फिर to become the advocate general the person must be qualified to be a judge of the high court. उसके बाद 76 it shall be the duty of the dash to give advice to the provincial government upon the legal matter and to perform other duties of legal character. एडवोकेट जनरल. उसके बाद 77 है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिलेशन बिटवीन द फेडरेशन एंड प्रोविंस आर डेल्ट DEALT with by article dash to dash of the constitution, article 145 or 152 of the constitution. फिर article dash of the constitution 1973 empower the federation to acquire the land for federal purpose. 152 उसके बाद है the council formed under article 153 of the constitution 1973 is known as dash council of the common interest. उसके बाद है 80 the president under article dash of the constitution shall constitute the national economic council. 156 article उसके बाद ये the national economic council shall consist of 10 members. उसके बाद article 160 of the constitution 1973 deal with dash national finance commission NFC जिसे कहते हैं. उसके बाद article dash of dash declare the federal government owned of all land, mineral and other thing of value within the continental shelf or underlying the ocean beyond the territorial water of Pakistan. Article 172. फिर article dash of the constitution 1973 deal with the constitution of the Supreme Court. Article 176. उसके बाद the chief justice of Pakistan shall be appointed by the president. फिर a judge of the Supreme Court hold office until he attains the age of 65. फिर before entering upon the office, the chief justice of Pakistan shall make oath before dash president. उसके बाद 88 article 175A provide dash for the appointment of a judge of Supreme Court, High Court and Federal Shariat Court, Supreme Judicial Council. उसके बाद Constitution 1973 declare Pakistan as dash the state religion of Pakistan. उसके बाद आर्टिकल सवाल नंबर 90 है. According to Article 1, the territory of Pakistan comprises dash Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Sindh and Islamabad Capital Territory. फिर Islam to be the state religion of Pakistan as provided in dash of the Constitution 1973 Article 2 के तहत. According to Article 2A, objective resolution is dash part of the Constitution. Substantive part. उसके बाद है to enjoy है the protection of the law and to be treated in accordance with the law is the right primary. इसका right answer है loyalty है to the dash is the basic duty of the every citizen state. फिर no person है shall be compelled to do that which the dash does not require him to do. Constitution इसका right answer है. उसके बाद है obedience to the constitution and the law is the inviolable violable dash of every person living in Pakistan. Obligation उसके बाद है 97 है loyalty to state and obedience to constitution and law is the basic duty of every citizen of Pakistan and it provide in article 5. उसके बाद next question है any person who abrogated or subvert or suspends or hold in abeyance or a time of conspiracies to abrogate or subvert or suspend or hold in abeyance the constitution shall be guilty of dash high treason. उसके बाद the act of high treason is defined under dash of the constitution 1970 article 5. फिर an act of high treason shall not be validated by any dash including the Supreme Court and a High Court. ये थे 100 क्वेश्चन. शुक्रिया. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.